you ever wondered or said to yourself, I know so much, so why can't I figure out how to make money online with the knowledge I have? Well, this video might be the turning point for you. Hi, I'm Lorna, and I know what it feels like to be stuck. You've got years of experience. You've learned some life lessons. You have insights and gifts, but when it comes to starting something online, you just don't know where to begin. That was me. I tried everything from watching YouTube videos, downloading freebies, to signing up for courses. Some helped, but a lot confused me. I felt like I was spinning my wheels, not getting any results. And I found this course, and everything changed. And I mean truly changed. You see, by the time you're in your 50s and beyond, you've seen some things, you've lived. You may have raised family. You've worked hard for sure and supported others. You've probably spent years putting everyone else first. But then there comes that moment when you start thinking it's now or never. You know you want to build something that is meaningful. You want something that can generate an income. You want to do it from home. Well, maybe, like me, you've even tried a course or two and even got some coaching, but nothing really clicked. It only clicked for me when I found this course. And for the first time, I wasn't duct taping strategies together. And I wasn't drowning in more information. I had a clear plan and a step-by-step path that was beginner-friendly, even for somebody who didn't feel they were techie. This course helped me turn my wisdom into income. I wasn't chasing trends or hustling 10 hours a day. I was building something aligned with my dreams and my values. It was real and doable. Here is what I've come to realize. Most of the women I've spoken with, they're not unmotivated. They're stuck because they're having overwhelmed with information. The online world can feel like a patchwork of disconnected information. One will teach you one course, another will teach you funnels, another will teach you email, another will teach you automation. But you don't know how to connect the dots. You don't know how to put the pieces together. And maybe you start to wonder, am I cut out for this? Well, let me tell you right now, you are. If you're still dreaming of starting something online, you are cut out for this. And you can do it. Well, what you don't need is more information. What you need is a system. And that's exactly what this course gave me. I had a simple, structured way to get started, a map to follow, and I could build something real without tech overwhelm. I learned how to choose a niche, pick a platform I want to work on. I learned how to automate a business, grow an email list, and show up confidently online, even as a beginner. And the part that meant the most, I wasn't doing it alone. I had access to mentorship, to a supportive community where I could ask questions and I could get help. And here's what really sealed the deal for me. Not only did I get the training to start and market my business, I also got the license to resell the course as my own. A high profit, ready-made course with systems already built in that eliminated the overwhelm. And I didn't have to wait to start earning. Now, you might be thinking, Lorna, I'm not techie. I don't have a big following. And I'm really not confident yet. That's exactly why this works. No need for fancy software. No need for big audience. No need to be perfect. It's just a system that guides you step by step along the way. So if you're tired of overthinking and under earning and want to build something meaningful and ready and willing to follow a proven path and want to create income in a way that aligns with your values, click the link below to learn more. You will get full training, the license to resell, weekly mentorship, and the step-by-step system that guides you. Really, you deserve this. And I can't wait to see you on the inside. Until then, bye for now.